Rex the gardener, working with his best friend Maria. A sunny patch story. Rex loved two things more than anything: planting flowers and helping his best friend Maria. Rex wasn't your ordinary gardener. He worked on highway garden projects, planting beautiful plants along the roads to make them look bright and cheerful for everyone driving by. Maria was a road worker. She painted road lines, fixed signs, and made sure everything on the highway was safe. But she also had a big heart for nature, just like Rex. One sunny morning, the duo met at Highway 7, where a new rest stop was being built. It was Rex's job to plant flowers and trees to make the place look lovely. Maria would help guide cars safely while the work was being done. "Good morning, Rex," said Maria, tying on her safety vest. "Are you ready to turn this patch of dirt into a beautiful garden?" "You bet I am," Rex smiled, holding a tray of native flowers. "Today we're planting wattles, bottlebrush, and lavender. They attract bees and butterflies." As Rex dug little holes with his trowel, Maria placed safety cones around the area. "Safety first," she said. "We don't want anyone stepping on your baby plants." "Thanks, Maria," said Rex. "And do you know what else? These native plants don't need much water and are perfect for our Australian climate." "Wow," said Maria, impressed. "That's great for the environment." Soon, Rex was showing Maria how to compost leaves and use mulch to keep the soil cool and damp. "It also stops weeds from growing," he explained. Maria helped spread the mulch while cars zoomed by at a safe distance. "It's like teamwork gardening," she laughed. By lunchtime, the roadside garden was glowing with color. Butterflies fluttered through the air, and a curious bee buzzed by. "It's beautiful," Maria said. "You've made the highway a happier place." "We did it together," Rex replied. "Roads and gardens can work side by side just like us." As the sun set over the new rest stop, families pulled over to stretch, smell the flowers, and smile at the sight. And from that day on, every driver who passed Highway 7 saw a splash of color and two friends working together to make the world a little brighter.